Many of the premium tablets available in the market today from leading brands are often rigged with more power than what a regular user needs. If you don't indulge in intense gaming or run heavy apps, a general-purpose tablet with strong entertainment features could also serve your purpose well enough. You can use such a device to take care of some of your office work, handle your emails and video chats, read books, and surf the net, while at the same time, you also save yourself a big part of the cost you bear for an unnecessarily super powerful tablet. Our product today, one of the better general-purpose tablets around, proves our point, with a ton of useful features available at a really affordable price.
Here we go!
The Lenovo Tab2 A8 tablet is a smartly designed machine built to serve you on the move. With a thickness of just 0.35 inches and weight of 0.8 pounds, it's eminently portable and can be used as a communication and entertainment device while commuting to work or while traveling. The Tab2 A8 can get a lot of your work done efficiently, but excels particularly in the entertainment department. A full HD 8-inch 1280x800p display makes it perfect for work, play, movie watching, or ebook reading, with the IPS technology also making it easy to share what you are viewing with friends. An ultra-thin, high-transparent touchscreen makes every image appear closer, clearer, and sharper. Another design highlight is the Dolby Atmos Cinematic Moving Audio, which provides audio capabilities better than most tablets, perfect for your movies or music. The Dolby feature works with the dual front-facing speakers to deliver a unique, enveloping sound quality, which offers a truly immersive experience on the go. To help you capture memorable videos and pictures, you have the excellent 5-megapixel camera at the back, while perfect selfies and web chatting is made possible with the equally efficient 2-megapixel camera at the front. The Tab2 A8 packs in enough processing power for pretty much all your general needs too, including effortless streaming of videos and use of most applications from the Google Play Store. It runs on a 1.3 GHz MediaTek MT8161 quad-core ARM Cortex-A7 CPU with 1 GB LPDDR3 RAM and 16 GB flash memory. A microSD card slot lets you expand the memory up to 32 GB. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n and Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity offer fast data transfer options, while the battery is strong enough to give you a running time of up to 8 hours, which adds to your mobility. The Lenovo Tab2 A8 tries to optimize every essential feature to keep the price really affordable and offers some excellent entertainment options at the same time. Let's see if this strategy works based on the feedback from its existing users. A score of 4.1 on 5 stars from close to 300 customers seems to indicate that it does, with the tremendous value it offers impressing many reviewers. As mentioned, there are some aspects, like the relatively clunky design, which result from the effort to keep the cost low, but the Tab2 A8 delivers where it is required to. That's all from us for now on the Lenovo Tab2 A8 8-inch tablet. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other tablet reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.